Every window tells a story. Every doorway feels like home. Golden light is slowly calling, leading where we're meant to go. Take a breath and feel the moment. Time is moving soft and slow. Dreams are waiting just beyond us, somewhere only hearts can know. Ooh, lift me higher into the light. We're alive in every sunrise, living where the skyline glows. Every step becomes a memory, every dream begins to grow. Home is more than walls around us. We're alive. This is where tomorrow starts.